variant. Well, the push continuing today to get more Long Islanders vaccinated. News 12's Doug Geed has more on a mobile vaccine van in Franklin Square that's giving out those shots.
I'm feeling happy that I took it. I kind of wondered why I waited so long now that I've had it.
Maureen from Baldwin says she recently decided that she did want to get a vaccine. And when she saw on News 12 this morning that a mobile vaccination unit was going to be in nearby Franklin Square, she thought it was time. James from Uniondale says the new and more contagious strains of coronavirus finally pushed him to get vaccinated after initially being hesitant.
I don't know how my body would react to it, and God willing, hopefully everything will be okay.
The mobile unit was the idea of Mount Sinai South Nassau Hospital in Oceanside. It partnered with the town of Hempstead and has now vaccinated nearly 5,000 Long Islanders.
There's just something about you're walking in the pool, maybe you're taking a stroll, and it's a comfort level. Being in your area and saying, I get this vaccination here, I could sit down for 15 minutes and I could walk home.
The van has been to about 3 dozen places, some like today, a very residential area. This is a town park in Franklin Square. Other locations have been on busy roads, main locations where people literally walking by just stop in and get a vaccine.
We were in Island Park, 2 guys from the deli across the street. They didn't even take their aprons off. These guys are working 12 hours a day. They're not hunting around.
Even if you want to come down here and just have a conversation with me, a clinical provider, any of the nurses, we're all vaccinated here, and our number one goal as being nurses and being clinical providers is we want our patients to be safe. So if we took it and we have our family members that took it, we know that it's safe and we would never want to do harm to patients.
That was good enough for Robert of Uniondale.
You got to protect yourself. That's the bottom line. If you want to live, you just got to protect yourself.
The Vaxmobile is in 4 other locations the rest of this week. In Franklin Square, Doug Geed, News 12 Long Island.
So for a list of the locations of the Vaxmobile, you can go to our website, news12.com, and click under numbers and links. And we can tell you that our own Ian Page will be with the Vax van tomorrow